What is going up, guys? Your boy Epic Viper. Today I'm going to show you part 2 of how to install the lights on my car. As you can see, I got the diode dynamic lights. So these are the ones for the for these ones here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. As you can see, is the diode dynamic. So I'm going to flip the camera. There we go. So this is what they look like now. As you can see, what's up? This is what they look like. Not as bright. I already changed them on this one, so I'll just pretty much show you how they're gonna look like. There you go. Much brighter than my future. I'm just kidding. Pretty simple, guys. Pretty bright. So what you're gonna need, guys, like I said in the other video, you're gonna need this plier here, a thin plier. As you can see, you just look at it on Amazon. Pretty cheap. Comes with like a 6-piece set for like 10 bucks. Only thing you would have to do, you see this opening here, you're gonna put this here and just pull it out. So you might need like 2 hands, but you're just gonna put this thing here and push it in and play it out. Let me see if I can do it. No, I can't do it. So I'm just gonna pretty much take my word, guys. Pretty simple. So you're just gonna apply it down through here and then pull it out. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna apply it out and then I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. So I applied it out. This is what it looks like. You just take it out and pull that. Gonna put this here just because I don't want to lose it. There we go. And pretty much what you do, you can still apply it out. So you just pull it out with this. I don't want to break it. Here we go. Sorry. You just pull it out. So pretty much, you just pull it out. Here we go. So you just got to apply it out and it comes out easy. Okay? So pretty simple, guys. You can even take it with your fingers, but it's kind of hard. So I'm just going to use this stick. Pretty simple. This stick will do all the work for this. So I'm going to do this real quick and I'll show you. There we go. Pretty simple. So we just take it out. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to get a new one. So you can see, we got it out. Now, there we go. Look, you see it works. So, because if you put it the wrong way, it won't work. So you have to put it this way. Just align it so it's straight. Just align it to a straight. There we go. It's pretty much straight. Just push it through. Just make sure it touches the metal, because if it doesn't touch the metal, if the car is bumpy, it turn off. There we go. There we go. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the after and before. Pretty easy to actually do, guys. Oh, so if you guys want to do that, yeah, pretty easy. Alright, guys, pretty quick video. Just wanted to show you how to install these lights. Pretty easy. As you can see, I fixed it up already. This is how it looks like. This car looks really bright. Like, I got all these 3. I got this one, these 2, and these ones are kind of hard to do, but as you can see, I mean, it's pretty simple to do. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Pretty quick tutorial on how to do this. Doesn't take a lot of work. The hardest part to do this would be to take this light bulb there. Like I said on my other video, just get a piece of paper, make sure the lights are turned off, because if it's on, it'll like melt the like the sticky part of the tape. So make sure they're off, and then just wrap it and pull it as hard as you can, and it'll come off. Pretty simple. Don't be scared to pull this out. It actually really comes pretty easy. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want more tutorials like this on your Charger, pretty much Charger and Challenger is the same, but the lighting on these one is different. But nevertheless, guys, just put in the comments below other car video ideas you want me to put. I ordered my splitter and my diffuser. I'll be installing that later when it gets here. This car is gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna also thinking of bagging it, but that I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna send it to a shop, because you know, bagging, you know, it takes professionals to do it. I don't trust myself. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Your boy Epic Viper signing out. Peace.